crazy thing is, out of all life done taught me, before you get one win, you gotta take 1,000 losses.
The next day.
Alright y'all, as y'all seen, I was putting on this new valve cover. It's a little dirty right now, so I got oil and whatnot on my hands, but everything is on. I got all the bolts on there tightened up, tightened back up the fuel line, fuel rail, my bad. Then I put in my injectors. I just put new seals on them with this tool, so that's good. And now I guess just put the fuel lines on, put the brackets on for the injectors, and I gotta get my Alright, so before I was rudely interrupted, bro, I don't know what's going on with this GoPro battery, but we in the daily and whatnot. But yeah, as I was saying, I pretty much put injectors and the fuel lines on that valve cover. And now we're about to go take my downpipe to get a 3-inch flange welded onto it and a O2 bung welded onto the downpipe, so I can do single bank fueling, MHD. So yeah, so I'm gonna pick up the camera back when we get up in there.